This is the working prototype of our project MediScan AI, and we have built 3 models in it. So I'll show you the first model. This is the brain MRI model, and I have an option to drop scan here, and I can also see I have 4 different options on the top: mean score, elevated features, regions found, and the status of the process. Now when I click run analysis, I can see the suspicious areas marked in it, and you can also see it gives 7 different parameters and the probability score of each occurring, so that the radiologist can analyze in a more formatted way and in an easy manner. So this is the marking of the suspicious areas, and this is the grad cams applied. So as you can see, there is a suspicious part in the middle, and it shows that. And the surrounding part here is the surrounding part which is highlighted is the skull region, and the grad cam which was applied behind the image is shown over here. So this is an VGG16 CNN pre-trained model, and it has more convolutional layers. So for the next model, when I go to the CT scan model, and I can see the same options over here, and on the top right corner I can see the model info, and this is also an VGG16 model, and the input size is 224 into 224. Now when I click run analysis, it scans for 7 different parameters in the CT scan, and also it shows you the suspicious areas of it. Yes, and this is how the output is generated, and you can see the grad cams applied, and this gives a better view for the radiologist to see. And if I go to the next model, that is our X-ray model, we have the same options here. You can put your image over here, and you can see the different features: mean score, elevated features, regions found, and the status. And this is the best model so far which we have, because it is trained on 1 million images, which data set which we have obtained from Kaggle. And the data sets which you have used in this throughout for all the 3 models are well renowned, and it is annotated by 4 to 5 radiologists. So this is a trustable source, and we have used VGG16 model for the CNN, and this is used because it has more convolutional layers in it for better analysis and pattern recognition in the image which is uploaded in this. And we have used 224 into 224 input size of the images, and this is the overall working prototype of a project MediScan AI. So this is not just like a black box AI when you give an input and then it gives you an output, but you don't know what's really happening inside to get that output. So what we chose transparency, and we show you how the output is exactly generated through the grade cams and how it's highlighting the suspicious areas. So this isn't just an black box AI which can do that, and it's not just going to give you a binary answer just like a cancer is present, yes or no. It just gives you the parameters on which a presence of a tumor or a cancer might be there. So coming to the outputs of this model, you can see it shows you the suspicious areas marked, and as you can see in the case of athletic cases, it shows only one small parameter, but then the main cause is infiltration. As you can see, it marks the suspicious areas where this thing is occurring. And if you take an output of a general parameter, it doesn't show you anything because there's nothing suspicious found in this. So this is our overall project.